In this short exercise, I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful React template you can see right here running on my local host port 8080. You can see it right here. So this template is free and it's a Material UI template for React. And you can see I set it up locally and you can actually use it to start building an application. It has everything you need, tables, it has a profile page, and you can also modify some of these other pages you see here. So let me show you how to get this template for free and actually use it in your application. And also I'm going to show you how to set it up locally in a few minutes, and let's see. So if you are joining me for the first time, please subscribe, because we are going to be using a beautiful template like this to build the Inventory MS, which is coming up, a complete inventory management system with React front end and Spring Boot backend. So please subscribe so that you don't miss any update. Okay, so how do you get this template and set it up? So the first thing you want to do is to go to Google and search for Material UI React Dashboard. If you go to Material UI Dashboard and you attach GitHub to it, assuming you don't attach GitHub, you say Material UI Dashboard, it takes you to a number of options, and you can see this one by Creative Team. If you go there, you see the dashboard in question. So if you try to preview, it can show you the preview and gives you option to download this dashboard. So there is the dashboard, and you can see here is a free download. The preview is coming up. Now, if you try the free download, it tells you to create an account. So this is what I really don't want to do for now. You can see the preview. This is the online preview. So that is why what we actually search for is Material UI React Dashboard GitHub. So it gives you the repo on GitHub which contains this Material Dashboard. So what you want to do is simply go to code and copy the URL for this repo. So copy the URL, and now I'm going to come here and I'm going to close this one, close folder. Now we are going to clone that repository locally, and then we can set it up and then run it. So what I'm going to do is go to my terminal and say new terminal. I'm going to create a new directory, mkdir. Let me call it React Tutorials. And in this directory, I'm going to cd into this directory, React Tutorial. And I'm going to now say git clone, and I'm specifying the URL for the repo. So that's exactly what you need to do. At this point, I'm going to now open up this repository. So I'm going to open it because it cloned it locally. I'm going to go ahead to open folder, and you can see it's inside the React tutorial, and you can see what we cloned. So I'm going to click on open to open this repository in VS Code. By the way, I didn't mention I'm using VS Code. Now, once you have this repository locally, you want to now set it up by installing Node, by running npm install. So I'm going to go to new terminal, and I'm going to run the command npm install. And if I run this command, it's going to set up the Node modules for this project, and we can now try to actually start up this application. Okay, so we see that it completes installing locally. So if you look at the content of the SRC, you see a number of things, all the components that are part of this application or this template. So I'm going to now try to run it. Let's see. So I'm going to say npm run start, and let's see if it runs locally. So you can see that npm run start starts up this application or this template locally, and you can see that we can go to the dashboard, and you have the dashboard displayed here. You can also see some other templates like the sign-in page, a number of other pages that you might need for your application. So I'm going to stop here. So this is how to actually set up a free Material dashboard for React. We are going to be using it later on. This will be a short tutorial, so I would like to just thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe, like, and also leave me a comment if this has been informative for you. So we'll see in the next part.